Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to create a GMC online account. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official GMC website. Look for the Sign In or Register option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on Create Account to begin the process. Have your vehicle's VIN and a valid email address ready, as these are essential for registration. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. This includes your first and last name, a valid email address, and a phone number. Make sure all information is accurate. Then, create a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. Confirm your password to proceed to the next step. After submitting your details, GMC will send a verification email to the address you provided. Please check your inbox and sometimes your spam folder for this email. Click the verification link within the email to activate your new account. Once activated, return to the GMC website and use your newly created credentials to log in for the first time. With your GMC online account, you can now easily manage your vehicle services, view warranty information, and access your owner's manual digitally. You'll also receive personalized offers and important updates directly related to your vehicle. This account is a convenient hub for all your GMC ownership needs, making vehicle management simpler and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.